What's up, y'all? Jason Smith here. This is where I let this video. Here we go. I will only play for 6 minutes, or I don't know. Anyway, you can always practice later if needed. Okay. So play tutorial. Yeah. Okay. Hi there, Miku. Huh? What? Oh, whoa! What the hell? Not bad. Hello, you come at the perfect time. Allow me introduce to you to my friends. This is Ki- Kigaga Nin Rin and Kiga. I am so hard with these names. They're digital singers, just like me. Oh, hi! It's really cool to meet you. Welcome to our world. Hey there! Nice to meet you. I hope you enjoy your time here with us. This is awesome. So, what brings you here? Is everything alright? No, not at all. We can't get into any of the clouds to sing. It's really bad. Well, it's not all bad. We did imagine to get into the classic cloud. That was the only through the clouds drawing our very growing at grow, growing at a all of us in here. Oh crap. Right. I knew that. Or did I wait? What were we talking about? No, now you've gone and confused her. What things work differently here, and those of short of rules don't apply. Right, I knew. Wait, I just did it again. What the? What the? Oh my god! Oh, where do I start? First off, we make voltage with the energy of our music. That voltage is what fills a cloud runs with light. But if a person loses its light, the clouds become close off to us. Okay. Um, Never mind. How terrible! The planet is dim because we can sing. Hey, come on, Miku, don't let it get you down. We fixed them and everything be all right again. Yeah, are you ready to sing now, Miku? Yes, I think so. Huh. You're gonna be awesome. Good luck, you two. Let's hurry to the classic cloud while we still can. We're going to reach the from power our songs. I'm so sorry, y'all. Words I can't get. All right, this might be cool. Okay, so I think yeah. Okay, you close the classic in half. You can switch between Japanese original lyrics and English lyrics. The same voice. Check it out. Oh, that's a bunch of only switching up the whole. You can edit it, free play and edit it. Wait. Oh, I can't. Wait, subtitles. Okay. So when she said options, okay. So, subtitles. Okay, so subtitles is there in English. Okay. I think I'm gonna do it. Here we go. Okay. Here we go. Start by trying the first sound. Alright, y'all. I might get hard with this. Here we go. Okay. Every song in a cloud has requests. Those requested each have an error which you can use to give yourself a leg up. Don't forget to check out. Once you pick a request in the rhythm, game will start. Here's what the game screen looks like. This is the voltage rate. This will be the score multiplier during the rhythm game, and the higher the rate, the more voltage you get. Voltage is a good thing. Oh God, is this the voltage game? This guy fills with voltage you can get, and if it's totally full at the end of the song, you complete the request. The numbers of time you can fill the voltage grab is different depending and this shows the number of times you fill the gap. You can get this at many items on the screen. Let's talk about special notes. This target is a rate up. Note, it only appears during request songs. The controls are the same as hitting a normal note when the icon overlaps the target push of the corresponding buttons. If you hit the note, the voltage rate will go up, and don't let these notes pass you by. If you want new rules, you can't miss chance time. First fill up the stars guide during chance time. Next, hit the final star target to finish chance times successfully, and your singer will transform. All you gotta do then is clear the request and beat BAM! New. Okay. Keep trying. Okay, so first of all, alright, so when it says only how to, and okay. Oh shit, it's only been like 8 minutes. Fuck, I forgot, I was gonna stop at 6, but whatever. Anyways, y'all, like this video, thumbs up, and this is only, I'll keep playing this game for now, and see y'all later. Peace.